I've been back on a thrifting kick and I saw this lamp. I have a vision that's sort of like this. It was an inspo pick for an area I wanted to restyle and thought maybe this lamp could work. It was only $12. But then when I got it in the car, it tipped over and the lampshade just essentially disintegrated. I thought maybe I could salvage it and ended up just like completely dismantling it, rebuilding the shape with these bamboo poles that I had on hand. Again, this was all just last minute with what I had. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm totally just winging it here. I used hot glue and kind of did a pleating with these napkins from Target. Now this part is basically what I was planning. I primed it and then used plaster of Paris to fill in all of those weird contemporary shapes and get this more to like an organic, modern type of a vibe. And then I used the paint and baking soda hack to redo that. This is the space that I'm restyling, just this little corner here. There's nothing wrong with it, but I was ready for a change. I had to fill the nail holes. I like using this because it comes with the spackle that you need to fill the nail holes. And then you can just use this edge here to scrape it off. And there's a little sandpaper edge on it too, so you don't need any other tools. It's just an all-in-one, perfect for these little spots. I am fairly certain I used the wrong color paint. I know for sure I did on the bottom part, but maybe even with the white, I don't know. I hung up these plates that I had been collecting for a bit and wanting to put them somewhere and decided this was the spot for them. And here is my lamp. Okay, the lampshade is not perfect, but again, we improvised. This was a spur of the moment, didn't know what I was doing, and honestly, like, not bad. I think there's probably a good chance that I'm going to get a new lampshade at some point, and I think I might actually try to thrift another lampshade and redo it and try to find a fabric that's more in that brown red tone.